Alright, guys, here we go. Subterfuge Box Break number 1257. Leftover masterpieces from last night. Here we go. Patrick, Chris, and Patrick, and TiVo. And Chris, and Jack, and Ron, and Peter. And Jordan's in there. Brian got all 3 dart listings. So he gets a ninja. Chris, Ron, and Shane, 5+ wheel spin. Chris. We got 2 Chris's, eh? We got old Chris, and we got new Mr. Barth Chris. Yeah. Thanks, Patrick. Yeah, you actually cleaned up the last 3, so I appreciate that. Jack and Chris and Shane. Shane? Yeah, Shane's in there. Buck's in there. Linda's in there. All right. Brian, 12 darts first. How you like the new site, Patrick? It's not too bad, eh? Canadian funds is a lot nicer than American funds to pay, isn't it? Single 6 for Brian. Single 7 for Brian. Double 1. Especially if we get an auction team cheap. Sweet. Double 14. Triple 20. Yeah, for sure. Double 19. Halfway there for Brian. Single 7. Yeah, it's going to bring a lot of our old customers back too, I think. Double 6. Single bull. 3 more for Brian. Floor dart does not count. Triple 6. 2 more for Brian. Oh, stinker. Still 2 more for Brian. Single 12. And the stinker cards lately are super stinky. And a double 19. So there's all your darts, Brian. I'll put you a stinker card right now. Here. Oh, it's a select rookie of Jean-Gabriel Pajot. Yep. Told you, stinky. All right, 5+ wheel spin. Chris is up first. Here's the sheet. Depending on what the team lands on. Yeah, I know. I like my 12th edition so much too. Except for the Bill Don't Want It. If it lands on Chicago, you're going to get a fridge magnet instead. So there's the sheet. Spin. 5+ wheel spin for Chris. It's Minnesota Wild. There you go, Chris. You got extra darts for your 5+. So I'll pull that dart for you right now. There you go. You got a double 16 out of it. Write that down. Double 16. Chris and Ron. And that is old Chris, not new Chris. Ron needs a fridge magnet. Ottawa, 2 teams. The Canadian teams are always two darts. Unless it's the Leafs. In which case it is 6 darts. But 2 darts for Ron. Double 8. Single 11. 8, single 11 for Ron and Shane Dog. Nabbing 5 teams and getting Edmonton, which is 2 darts as well. What's the darts for Shane Dog? So we got 8 left in Trilogy. That moved quite nicely. And 12 left in the multi that's been live for 33 minutes. That's pretty good. So triple 9 for Shane Dog and single 8. These bonus starts. Triple 9, single 8. All right. We are on 9s for this break. Any hits that qualify, go to your 9, your standings. Away. And bring on the box. Ending in 049. 049. Masterpieces. Let's pull a nice Gretzky or something. I really like this stuff. It is a little on the expensive side, but it's selling. All right. Koivu. Kunitz. Here we go for Pittsburgh. And Ron. Black and white. Portraits of Mario Lemieux. Also, yeah. I think Ron's got like 7 of those already. Gets Pittsburgh a lot in this. Patrick Kane. Short print for Detroit. And Peter, you got Henrik Zetterberg. And we got, oh, nice. Red frame cloth for the New York Islanders and Shane Dog. John Tavares. That's out of 100. That's going to get you a single 9 for your dart pile too, Shane. And we got a wire photo for the Calgary Flames and T-Boff. Hey, how about that? The boy will be getting this one, Sean Monahan. Crawford base. Oh, 3 hits in that pack, not too shabby, huh? So, Vinny, here we go. We were just talking about this guy. For Jordan, you got Lips, PK Subban, short prints. Marlowe and Nuge. Yeah, hot pack for sure. Matt Duchene. Strome. Rookie card for Boston. And that's Mr. Boris Chris. Oh. Alexander Koklachev. Normal rookie card. And we got a jersey card for the Dallas Stars and Ron. Bill Guerin. Earning you a single 9. Oh, it's got a little piece of fuzz on it too. It's got like a tear. Go Ron, you got single 9 for Bill Guerin jersey card. Round the clock bonus. Hey, Brandon Gormley rookie card for Chris. There you go, Chris. Welcome back. You got a card. You got a hit. A wire photo for the Detroit Red Wings, Pavel Datsyuk. Yeah, I like the mem cards and this stuff for sure. Carlson and Bishop. And Couture. Bobby Ryan. Stevie Y for Detroit. Black and white portraits. Yeah, nice. Jersey card for Shane Dog. Alexander Ovechkin jersey. Complain about that. OV jersey right there. It's going to worth a single 9 for you, Shane. So we got 2 hits. Should be an autograph coming. Hopefully something huge would be nice. Chara. Stastny. Short print for Montreal. Pierre Turgeon going to Jordan. And a rookie autograph for Shane Dog and the Vancouver Canucks. Bo Horvat. Normal version. So here's, that's normal base. So here's, we're like half the box done. We got our 3 hits already, so hopefully there's going to be an extra one too. Or something cool. Steen. Marc-Andre Fleury. Jeremy Roenick. Short print for Chris. There you go, Chris. You got a flyer. Lettinen and Hartnell. Yeah. There should be something good still, because there isn't a massive hit box right here. Gus Nyquist. Rabada. For Detroit. Dominic Hasek. Short print. For Peter. Yeah, the Hartnell pitcher is brutal. Jonathan Bernier. Who cares? Oh. This packet exploded. The red frame cloth in this one. Nash. Galchenyuk. Short print for the Washington Capitals and Shane Dog. Mike Gartner. Oh, you can see at the top, it's got caught in the pack closing machine. It's perforated on the front and the back of that Gartner short print. So you know, bud. Red framed is not perforated. The Columbus Blue Jackets. And Chris, red frame cloth of Sergei Bobrovsky. Out of 100. And Chris, that earns you a single 9 because it's short printed out of 100 or less. Perry. Short print for Jack. Bobby Hull. Wire photo for the San Jose Sharks. Joe Pavelski. Going to Linda. Linda? Carabine. 4 packs left. Cam Ward. New York Rangers Gretzky is not sharp printed. But this one is. Grant Fuhrer for the Edmonton Oilers. And Ron. Hossa and JVR. Spezza. Gallagher is not a short print. Rookie card for Edmonton. Leon Draisaitl. Going to Ron. Normal version. We've got a short print for Buck. Red frame cloth out of 100. David Backus for Buck. Earning you a single 9, Buck. For your Dart stand-ins. 2 packs left, guys. Yeah, I like Draisaitl. Best, highest picked German player ever. Keith. Drew Doughty. And Mario Lemieux. Short print. Robertson and Chin Boy. Patch ready. Super Chin. Imagine if Subban had that chin. Just throwing it out there. Alright, last pack. Need some mojo. Ben. Short print for the Kings and Tebow. Larry Robinson. I think the last 2 of the box is a wire photo with the Columbus Blue Jackets. And Chris again is Sergei Bobrovsky. 2 Bobs in the same box. There you go. That's a pretty weak box of masterpieces, guys. Bo Horvat auto and 2 mems. Not too happy with that one. But it is what it is. Upper Deck. Thank you very much. Thank you guys, and I'll see you all on the next one. Have a